Health Solutions in downtown Indy, and today I want to talk about something called radiculopathy. If you've ever felt pain or numbness tingling going down the glute, the hamstrings, into the leg, or down to the foot, you might be dealing with something that we call lower extremity radiculopathy. The good news is that when this condition is identified and treated correctly, that you can have great outcomes that are minimally invasive. Lower extremity radiculopathy happens when the nerves exiting your lower back can get irritated or compressed, leading to numbness, tingling, or a pins and needles sensation going down the leg. This can stop at the knee, this can stop in your butt, this can even go all the way down to your toes. One important thing to know is that because we're feeling the symptoms into our leg, it doesn't mean that it's being caused by something in our leg directly. This can be caused by irritation in our lower back, in our glutes, and even in our pelvis. One of the most commonly discussed causes of radiculopathy is disc-related injuries. This can be caused from a disc bulge, a disc herniation, and either way, those can put compression onto the nerves that are leading out very close to those discs. However, discs are not the only cause of radiculopathy. These can be related to soft tissue dysfunctions. This can include tight muscles, ligaments, and tendons. Tight hip muscles, deep external rotators such as the piriformis, can put pressure and irritate the nerves that are going directly through and around those muscles. Posture, prolonged sitting, and even irritable movements can all create that tension that leads up to the compression being placed onto those nerves and creating irritation. Here's one really important point that I want to point out is that if you have a disc-related injury, this does not mean that you will have a disc-related injury for the rest of your life. It is very common that we can heal those discs and create a pattern where you won't have continued issues into the future. Really important point is to note that if you have a disc-related injury, this does not automatically mean that you need surgery. In fact, a huge number of disc-related injuries respond very well to conservative care. With the right treatment approach, we can calm down those disc herniations to improve pressure and reduce those symptoms over time. Your body has an incredible ability to heal. We can rehydrate those discs, calm down the nerves, and allow the body to reduce those symptoms over time. Just because you're dealing with a disc issue right now does not mean that you will continue to have this into the future. With the right treatment, you can continue to improve your function and stability to reduce these symptoms over time. With chiropractic care, we focus on improving the environment around the compression and the injury. We want to make sure that you are feeling better and improving your mobility and structure over time. With chiropractic adjustments, we can improve your spinal mobility to reduce stress and strain that we're putting onto those areas. Needling is another really powerful tool that can help to reduce tension and trigger point activity and restore function around those muscles and those nerves to really improve that mobility. We also use soft tissue therapies in order to increase blood flow to decrease a lot of that tension around the area and those muscles as well. Exercise rehab is a critical part of the process. Specific exercises can help restore movement, build strength, and allow us to not put so much compression onto the nerves that creates the aggravation in the first place. Timing always matters. The sooner that we can treat your radiculopathy symptoms, the sooner we can decrease inflammation, improve mobility, and allow the nerves to heal so this doesn't continue to become a chronic issue. Even if you have been dealing with radiculopathy for quite some time, starting treatment is never too late. We can also improve your compensatory patterns and start promoting that healing process now. If you're experiencing pain, numbness, or tingling down your leg, don't assume that surgery is your only option. Come on in to see one of our chiropractors to see how we can help you to get you feeling better the fastest.